practice question on quadratic equation. So here we have a question in front of us. Pause this video, try attempting the question by yourself and tell me the level of difficulty, what you think about this question. Level of difficulty for this question, is it easy, moderate or hard? Tell me that. Okay, so the question is 1 root of x square plus kx minus 8 equal to 0 is square of other root. Then find the value of k. Well, if I assume one of the root is alpha, then other root is square of, the other root is what? Square. So that should be what? Alpha square. Clear? Now, question said, find the value of k. How can we use this alpha and alpha square, the value of roots, as alpha and alpha square? We know the quadratic equation in form of roots, and we can compare this with general equation, and we can compare the given equation with general form of quadratic equation and say what is sum of root and product of root. So if I compare with the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and with that if I say what is sum of root, so sum of roots, that's equal to minus b upon a, and product of roots, that is c upon a. All right, now here I can take help of this product of root. Why? Because if I multiply alpha and alpha square, alpha into alpha square, that's going to be what? Alpha cube. Correct? Now here that can be equated with the given equation and say that, okay, what is the value of c? Tell me, what is the value of c? What is the value of a there? A is equal to 1. What is the value of b? B equal to k. And what is the value of c? That is equal to minus 8. So if I say that is c upon a, that means it is what? Minus 8 upon 1. So if alpha cube equal to minus 8 upon 1, tell me what is the value of alpha? Cube root of minus 8, that's minus 2, right? If alpha equal to minus 2, then we need to find out the value of k. K is what? Value of b, which will come from sum of roots. Now tell me one thing. If one root is minus 2, alpha is equal to minus 2, then alpha square is supposed to be minus 2 square, that is plus 4. Yeah. So if I try to find out sum of roots, there is what? Alpha plus alpha square, isn't it? That's equal to minus b upon a. Now alpha is minus 2, alpha square is plus 4, minus b is what? Is equal to minus k, and a is equal to 1. So as it is, simplify this, you get minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Yeah, that is equal to minus k, right? So what will be the value of k here? In case of k, it will be minus 2. Did you understand? I hope that's not very difficult. Yeah. And to tell you, this is one of the previous year question, not the exactly previous year, but past year questions. This is one of the past year questions. Yeah. So you get such kind of easy question also in exam. I have written this explanation quite in detail. You don't have to write all the steps. It's not required. You can skip a lot of steps and get the answer faster. So I hope this is fine with you. You got the answer. That is what? Minus 2. Yes. That's the answer. Correct. Okay. So what do you find? What do you think about the level of difficulty? Easy, moderate or hard? Easy. Definitely easy. No mehnat. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. You just need to identify one is alpha, so the second is alpha square, and then the moment you write, you will understand that if I use product of root, it will be easy for me to identify the value of alpha, and then subsequently we can use it to find the value of k. So this is it. Let's see the next question.